important.
I feel it. Another version of me. I